Nah. All right, let's get started. BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Before we get started, I just wanted to send a shout out, as the kids say, to say BOOZHOO. Ikadon BOOZHOO to my niece over in Norway, Mia. BOOZHOO, Mia. How are you, sweetie? I heard recently that Mia saw Dances with Wolves for the first time, and she got just inspired. And I don't blame you. You should have seen your grandpa and I the first time we saw Dances with Wolves. We were just there with our mouths open. We couldn't believe it. We thought it was such a cool movie. But ever since Mia saw Dances with Wolves, she's become interested in learning the Ojibwe language. Yeah. Hey, you guys, don't tell her that Dances with Wolves is actually about the Dakota. But, so, actually, you just saw that, didn't you? But yeah, Dances with Wolves. Man. I mean, a lot of people want to kind of go, oh, that's just another movie about Indians from the white man's perspective. But I'm like, hey, Bizon, the show actually has indigenous language in it that's spoken well. And every great Indian actor from the 90s was in that movie. So whatever. The only thing that could have made that movie better is if Val Kilmer had made an appearance. Nah. Where was Adam Beach during the filming of Dances with Wolves? That's actually what made that movie good too. For once, we don't have to see Adam Beach get killed. Have you noticed that ever since Smoke Signals? Every time Adam Beach, for those guys who don't know it, is the actor who played Victor in Smoke Signals. But then he went on to do a lot of like really bit roles. I think he was in Suicide Squad for a minute, and he gets killed right away. And then he was in something else recently, and I know, he got killed right away. But I suppose that takes a special kind of acting too, to pretend you just got shot. Ugh, I just got shot! Which brings me to our Ojibwe word of the day. We're coming up on hunting season here in Minnesota. I mean, not for a few weeks, but today's Ojibwe word of the day. Giwose winini. Giwose winini, hunter. And I bring this up because I've been thinking a lot about poor old Hunter Biden. Jeez, you guys. Would you just leave him alone? Yeah, okay, so he's got a little bit of a drug problem. What, you don't know anybody who's had addiction problems? And, okay, yeah, he did leave the mother of his children and then go to strip clubs and, make a baby with a stripper and then try to deny it and get out of it. Okay, fine. And, yeah, sure. Maybe he, hooked up with his brother's wife after his brother died. I'm not saying he's perfect, but he's going to be the next president of the United States, you guys. Vote Hunter Biden. What? Oh, he's not. Well, who's running? Oh, his dad? Oh, crying out loud. Never mind. I guess his dad's running. Where did I get that Hunter Biden was running? Anyway. Giwose winini, hunter. Giwose, hunt. Winini, man. Or like hunter. Giwose winini. And are you a hunter? What do you hunt? What is your prey? Prey? Is that right? I am a hunter of truth and knowledge and good times. Don't need nothing but a good time. Say, Winnie, Hunter. Why did I do that? Anyway. Alright, that's enough. The sun's coming up. It's going to screw up my lighting in here. Oh, that's another thing. Yesterday I woke up and it was snowing. And it was just Zugipon. It is snowing. And I don't know, man. In spite of everything, Minnesotans are always complaining about the snow and the cold. But at the same time, when the first snow comes, you get just excited. It's like a new beginning. I like new stuff. I think that's why I like to film these in the morning. Because that's when I have the most energy in there. Anyway. Alright, well hey, just want to say Miigwech BOOZHOO. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO. Or thank you for listening. BOOZHOO. NANABOOZHOO means watching. So thank you for listening and watching. BOOZHOO. NANABOOZHOO. The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and I will see you again. GOFUNDME. Minowa! Hoa! GOFUNDME, Mia. I know. I am an old woman, named after my mother. My old man is another child who's grown old. If dreams were like thunder, lightning was desire, this old house could have burnt down a long time ago. Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one thing that I can hold on to. Believe in this living, just a hard way to go. Flies in the kitchen, I can hear them buzzing, and I ain't done nothing since I woke up today. How the hell can a person go to work in the morning, come home in the evening, have nothing to say? Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of rodeo. Just give me one thing that I can hold on to. To believe in this living is just a hard way to go. Believe in this living. Hey, hey, hard way to go. Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons and Natasha. And that's an old John Prine tune. John Prine? Is that how you say it? John Prine? I don't know. You have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO, and I will see you again. GOFUNDME. Minowa. Hawa. That was great, you guys.